Before I say anything, I want you to take a look at this screenshot here. This is a screenshot from a legit creator that I know very well on Twitter. And this creator just registered yesterday on this particular app that I'm about to share today, and he has started earning already. I'm talking about yesterday, not 6 months ago, not 2 years ago. And look at how the platform is already massively blessing him. I know what you'll be thinking in your mind. Oh, is this legit? Are you sure they are not scammers? Let me be honest with you. I also had the same thoughts. Honestly, I was like, Favour, are you sure these people have not come again? Please do your adequate research before you be scammed. That's what I told myself exactly. But guess what? I did not stop at just saying it that I'm going to do research. I went ahead. I downloaded their app. Yes, I registered. I went through their guidelines. I mean their policies, including their copyright rules. In fact, everything. After doing all this, what I found out is that this particular app is very legit and it pays truly even from the first day of registration. Now, here is the real truth. The platform pays you from the very first day you register. They don't ask you for anything. No 4,000 watch hour, no 1,000 subscribers, no task. You just sign up, you start earning. Exactly. No criteria, nothing. Now in this video, I'm going to show you number one. I'm going to show you exactly what this platform is, why this opportunity is massive right now, and the reason why you should tap into it right now that it has not escalated, and how you can possibly register today, step by step, so you don't miss this window. Stay with me, this is very important. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Favour, the tech mom. On this channel, I show you how to make money online, especially with AI. And in this channel, we keep it legit, not scam zone, just the truth. All right, so go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you can receive my updates as soon as I make a post. All right, before you scroll and pass this video thinking that maybe you have heard it before, you have known about the app before, because I'm not going to mention the app name now. I will mention it maybe in the middle of the video or at the end of the video, so that you don't miss the important thing that you need for this particular video. All right, I took my time to make research just for you. Now, what makes this particular app different from the app that I've been talking about in my previous videos is because you don't need any requirement before they start paying you. The only thing you just need to do is register. Now, first of all, what does this particular app do? This particular app is a video sharing app. Just think of it like YouTube. Same concept, same idea. You create an account, you upload videos, people watch your videos, and you earn money from the platform. That's simple. Here is something most people do not know about this particular app. This platform was launched in 2013. It has been around for over 10 good years. Established platform that has been growing steadily. Now, let me talk about the things that makes this app truly existing for anyone who wants to make money online. On YouTube, before you can earn a single cent from ad revenue, you must hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour. Most small creators, that journey takes months, like sometimes over a year, 2 years. My own, it took me over 2 years to monetize my YouTube channel, and took me over 2 months to monetize my Faceless channel here on YouTube. You are posting, working hard, giving your time and energy, and YouTube is not paying you anything until you cross their threshold, and that is when you begin to be rewarded. Now, to be honest with you, it's not everybody that can have patience to do this for over 2 years. You are not being paid and you are still doing it. I have been there, and it can be so discouraging. On this particular app, the moment you create your account and start uploading content, you're already in the position to earn. Once people start watching your videos, money starts coming. There is no subscriber requirement. There is no watch hour gatekeeping you out there. You are not waiting for permission to get paid for your hard work. No, I will tell you for free. This particular app is very, very sweet. And in the world that technology has made it very easy, that you can get people easily, like you can even buy followers and they watch your video. But I'm not in support of that. What if they watch one of your videos and they couldn't continue watching your other videos? That means you're not really earning much, right? For small creators, for people just starting out, for anyone who has been struggling to hit YouTube monetization requirements, this is a genuine lifetime, and I want you to take it very seriously. Now, let me be very transparent with you. When I first heard about this particular app called Rambo, All right, I've mentioned the name and you can see their logo here. I did not just jump on it. What I did first is to do my research. Like, I have to go and sleep over it. Then I later signed up. First, the interface, when you open Rambo app, it feels familiar, just like YouTube. The layout is similar to YouTube. So if you already know how to use YouTube, you will not be lost on Rambo. All right. It is not complicated and it is not confusing. Very simple app, just like YouTube. Now, secondly, the niches. When you sign up, Rambo asks you to select your interest from a list of 8 categories. Those categories are sports, gaming, news and podcasts, health and science, music, entertainment, finance, and crypto. Now, Rambo app will ask you to choose at least three of these. All right. So from my end, I have to choose finance because I love finance. Yeah, I chose finance. I also chose health and sciences. I also chose crypto. All right. Now, this is where I started asking questions. Does that mean you can only create content in those 8 niches? And what about creators who do something like cooking, beauty reviews, and all that? Here is what I found out. The platform right now is still growing. The content that performs strongest is within those 8 niches, because that is where the audience is most active on the platform currently. But that does not mean that other content cannot do well. It just means those niches have a high rank or it have a head start. Thirdly, the search volume. When I search for simple things like cake, Samsung, food, anything like some of these things that relates to cooking, lifestyle, and all that, the results were limited compared to YouTube. When you start something like Samsung, you will see a lot of videos on YouTube based on Samsung, right? But on this Rambo app, when you search for Samsung, you're gonna see just few videos on it. And let me tell you, this particular thing becomes your advantage. So if you are in those kind of niches that people search and get limited information about it, your videos might be among the ones that will pop out first because you don't have much competitors. Now, the bottom line here, finally, yes, there are things still developing on Rambo app, but the monetization is real. Creators are already earning. The platform is legit, and getting in now while it is still growing is the smartest move. People that joined YouTube as of 2013, 2014, 2015, there are those people that made YouTube money. Most of them, they established different investments because they were aware of it. And today I am bringing it to you. I do not get keep. And finally, like I told you, I'm going to show you how you can register on this Rambo app. Step 1, go ahead and download the app. Go to website or you go to your Play Store. Now, step 2, create your account. Once you open the Rambo app, you will see the option to sign up. Click on sign up or create account. You can sign up using your email address or you can use your Google account, Apple account to make it even faster. Now, I recommend you using your Google account if you already have one. It saves you time. Fill in your basic details, your name, email address, and create a password. Make sure your password is very strong, like as strong as. Now, step 3, set up your channel. After creating your account, Rambo will prompt you to set up your channel. This is your creator profile, just like YouTube. The page where all your videos will live. Choose a channel name. This should be your brand name. If you already have a YouTube channel, use the same name so people can find you easily across platforms. Consistency in your brand name matters. Add a profile picture. Use a clear professional photo of yourself or your logo. Your first impression, it counts. Write a channel description. Tell people who you are and what your channel is all about. Keep it simple and clear. Now, step 4. Rambo will then ask you, what are you into, to show you the 8 categories as I mentioned, all right? Now you have to pick at least 3. Even if your content does not exactly fit those categories, just pick the ones closest to what you do. If you teach people how to make money online, select finance and crypto. Do not skip these steps, all right? This step really matters. This will help Rambo to know your audience and know who to present your videos to. Okay, now step 5, upload your first ever video. Now here is where the magic starts. Click on the upload button. You know how you do it on YouTube. Select your video from your phone or computer. While your video is uploading, Rambo will ask you to fill in some details, title, description, tags, thumbnail, and so on. Now once everything is filled, just hit publish. Your video is now live. on Rambo. Now, when you start earning, you want to connect your bank details, right? This is the step most people forget, and it is the most important one to actually receive your money. You need to connect a payment method to your Rambo account. Now, go to your account settings and look for earnings or monetization section. Rambo pays creator through various methods depending on your country. Make sure you fill in all your payment details correctly so that when your earnings are ready to be withdrawn, there are no issues. Now that your account has been set up, your first video has been uploaded, do not stop there, all right? The key of growing on any platform or making money from any platform is consistency. The more quality content you post there, the more attraction you get, the more visibility you get, and visibility equals to money. And also, the more algorithm shows your videos to people. Now, let me leave you with these thoughts before I end this teaching. This teaching is very powerful. I've not done this, all right? I've not talked about this particular website on my page. No, I've not. Every platform has a golden window, a time they newly came out and they are looking for people to utilize their platform. They get to pay more attention to you creators, to the new creator that came into their platform. So that is everything I have found out about the app, okay? So are you going to try Rambo? And no, this is not a promotional video. No, neither a collaboration. No, it is not. This is from my honest view. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you something very credible. I might decide to show you how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views, and you know whether it's worth it. And also, I will be doing a kind of comparison between Facebook and YouTube. All right. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of platforms that pays people every single day that you are not aware of, and that is why my channel exists. So go ahead and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.